former Chief Minister of Meghalaya and former Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, who left us on the 21st of April 2022. A renowned personality and able statesman, and a leader of the people, late Sri J.D. Rymbai served the people of the state in various capacities in his long and successful career, especially when he was at the helm of affairs as Chief Minister of the state. As Minister in various departments during his long tenure in politics, he held key departments like agriculture, community rural development, food civil supplies, transport, law, PWD, and taxation. Therefore, the state government, the people of the state, and the people of his constituency, Chira, greatly benefited from his vast administrative experience and leadership during his long innings in the government. His many contributions to the development of the state and the people will be etched in the history and will not be forgotten. In this moment of grief, once again, I, on behalf of the government and the people of Meghalaya, convey our sincere and deepest condolences to you and the family members. I pray that God Almighty give solace to you and your family members in this hour of bereavement and provide strength to be able to bear this irreparable loss.
Jingleit, Rymbai. Late Rymbai will be remembered for his distinguished service as the Deputy Speaker from 22nd of March 1988 to 22nd of June 1990, and as a Speaker from the 12th of October 1993 till 17th of April 1997. He has also served as the Chief Minister of the state from 15th of June 2006 till March 2007. He is a retired high school teacher who entered active politics in the 80s. Late J.D. Rymbai will always be remembered for his simplicity, love, and care for the poor and the downtrodden. He was a man known for his amiable nature and was loved and respected by all political leaders, cutting across party lines. Many words have been spoken about his great service to the state and his effectiveness as a representative. I was fortunate to have served with a ranking member like him in the August House from the beginning of my service as a legislator in 2008. And his knowledge about the proceedings of the House and his willingness to share that knowledge left many of us in debt.
Kapur kebang Yoso bantan pau ya kecing sosi ke bakrau haga jingduno Ya unong yalam ubakrau jong kejela kejungi hamtam umle ubalam hikmat ya ka konsensi kejungi sansin enter agi abusnem absansnem kiletia kejungi dia kene kepor pemakan pau ya kejingdu kebakrau ngayen hang le hak keteng jong kipai ba jong kejirang konsensi bani ailam ya ketien snowlem na kebenta keyeng kesem kejong i le Sri Jadi Rymbai iba ba hak konsensi kejungi kinomla syuban klet ya kikam iba mai lale gum ulida unong yalam ubashisha ngaket mau bakla pensuk shikadai ya kipai ba jong kejirang konsensi hadin balayo ya ke blok ke bersemai Shibun kikam habang ipai hak education sector